Dear students, good morning. Welcome back to your GK class. Students, today we are going to solve worksheet number 18, Inventions and Discoveries in your workbook, GK workbook. Inventions means जो भी आविष्कार किए गए हैं. Discoveries means जो भी खोज की गई है. Okay? So, without wasting time, let's see the questions and try to write the answers of it. The first question is, who invented the game of chess in India? See, this is very tricky question and the answer is still required because the person who invented chess is exactly not known, and chess is one of the oldest games in the world, and it is assumed that the origin of chess is India and then spread over to the Arabian countries. The ancient name of chess was the Chaturanga, and let me tell you that there is an interesting story about the man who invented chess coming from Persia, and his story is around 800 years old. So what happened that time? Long time ago, a king named Sihiram ruled over India, and he was a despot. Around this time, a wise man, which means he was really smart and a mathematician also, invented the game of chess to show the king how important everybody is who lives in his kingdom. So even the smallest among them. The king on the chessboard needs his queen, his rooks, bishops, knights and the pawn to survive, and this is like in real life. The king should learn that. Now the Sihiram the king understood this very well, and he liked this game very much, and he became a chess player, and he ordered that this game should be played by everybody in his kingdom. And from then onwards, the game of chess has been played all through the world. So we can write the answer as answer number first. Write like this. It is believed that a wise man under the kingdom of Sihiram was invented the game of chess. As I told you, the exact name of that person is not known, so you can write the answer as like this. Now moving on to the next question, name the scientist who discovered the theory of evolution. Who discovered the theory of evolution? Do you know that? Write the answer, Charles Darwin. Answer 2 is Charles Darwin. Okay, he invented the theory of evolution. Next question is, what did Albert Einstein discover? Write the answer third. It is really famous and everybody knows about it, that Albert Einstein discovered, you rather write the name of the theory of relativity. Okay, so write the answer as like theory of relativity. Okay, like this. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. When were the place value system and the decimal system developed in India? Write the answer as they developed in India in 100 BC. BC means before Christ. Okay, so here we have solved question number 4 also. Let's move further. Question number 5 is, who was Johannes Kepler? write the answer. Answer number 5 is he discovered the laws of planetary motion. Okay, so here we have done answer number 5 also. Next question, question number 6 is, what do you know about Euclid? Describe. Write the answer 6 as Euclid was a Greek mathematician. Write further, he discovered the principles of geometry. Okay, so here we have done with all the question and answer. Okay, now let's go further and try to solve exercise B. Tick the correct option. The first question is, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit is the inventor of option A aeroplane, option B mercury thermometer, option B is correct, so mark it true, mercury thermometer. Okay, who invented the diesel engine? Option A Rudolf Diesel, option B Alessandro Volta, and the correct answer is Rudolf Diesel, so mark it true, mark it correct. Third dash is the inventor of elevator. Who invented elevator? Elisha Otis, Thomas Alva Edison, and the correct answer is option A Elisha Otis. Fourth question, bicycle was invented by Lewis Waterman, Kirkpatrick Macmillan, and the correct answer is option B Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Last question is, the modern printing press was invented by Johann Gutenberg, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, and the correct answer is Johann Gutenberg. Okay, so here we have solved with worksheet 18. I hope you have understood everything. I'll see you next class, students. Thank you.